Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson mensuration. Today we will discuss about the right circular cylinder. Now what is right circular cylinder? It is a cylinder with the base and the top, they are of equal radius. So the radius of the top and the bottom both are circles, isn't it? So that is equal. Then we say it as right circular cylinder. See, if you think this is a cylinder, here there is one circle, here one more circle, and this is the height, isn't it? This is the height. This is the upper portion, this is the lower portion. Now this is an open cylinder, but in a closed cylinder, down it is closed and here top also is closed. Circle you get, isn't it? So curved surface area. What is the curved surface area? Only the side. In the cube and cuboid, you have learnt about the lateral surface area. So the curved surface area is only the side area of the side. The total surface area means the side along with the top and the bottom. Both are circles, the area of the both the circles together. Then it is called as the total surface area. Hope you understood. So lateral surface area is the curved surface area of the cylinder. We'll write CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, and the total surface area means the side along with the top and the bottom, the two circles. Together it will be 2 pi R bracket open R plus H. So CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH and the TSA of the cylinder is 2 pi R plus H. H is what? The height. R is what? The radius of the circle, the top and the bottom, that are circle, the radius of that circle. Now coming to the example 9. Radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is 14 dm, that is decimeter, and the height is 15 meter. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder and the total surface area of the cylinder. First we will write what is the shape. Solution. Shape is a cylinder. The solid figure what we are discussing here, that is cylinder. Now they have given the radius. So R is equal to 14 dm. But this is meter. Height is in meter. So convert this in meter. How? 14 upon 10 is equal to 1.4 meter. And the height is given as 15 meter. Okay. Now first the curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cylinder. What is the formula given? 2 pi RH. Put the values 2. In a circle, the area, circumference, everywhere, there is a one constant that is called as pi. What is the value of pi? It is 22 by 7. Remember, so the pi is a constant whose value is 22 by 7 and R is 1.4 and H is 15. Now 7 ones are, now it is in decimal, 7 zeros are 1, 7 twos are 14. So you will get 0.2. Now 2 22s are 44 into 15 twos are 30. But it is one decimal, cancel this. So you will get 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12 plus 1, 13. That is 132 meter square. It is area, that is why it is meter square. Now coming to the second subdivision, total surface area. So total surface area of cylinder, formula, what is it? It is a 2 pi r plus h. Put the values. It is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 1.4 bracket 1.4 plus 15. So it will be 1s are, and this one is a 0.2. So it is a 222s are 44 into 0.2 into 1 plus 15, that is 16.4. So you get 44 into 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. This is 2 decimal, so 1 2. Now 44 into 328. You find the value, it will be 144, 2 decimal, 32 meter square. So this calculation you have to do in the rough work. Multiply 328 into 44, you will get 144.32. So 2 decimal, so 144.32 meter square. Hope you understood. This is CSA and TSA of the cylinder. So that was example 9. Now coming to the example 10. What they have asked? The diameter of the roller. Diameter of the roller. So you know the road roller and all, isn't it? That is cylindrical in shape. So the diameter of the roller is 2.5 meter. Now it is a diameter is given. So first you write the roller, it is in the shape cylinder. So diameter is given as 2.5 meter. But for the calculation we want radius. So radius is equal to diameter upon 2, that is 2.5 upon 2 meter. Keep it like this only. For a calculation, well, afterwards anyway, during the calculation, you can divide and all. Okay, now length of the roller, length, that is a height, is equal to 1.4 meter. So the length of the roller is a 1.4 meter. Now they have asked how much area will it cover in a 7 revolutions. If you think this is a roller, okay, this is round, so it is a roller, it is in the cylindrical shape. So if you think this and this, they are the top and the bottom, it is a flat, okay, you have to think, but it is a roller. Okay, now this is the length, that is the height of the cylinder will be 1.4. The diameter, this full, this is a 2.5 meter. Now they have told how much area will it cover in 7 revolutions. See, Now if you think the roller, it is like this. So see the marking here. So it takes 7 revolutions. How you have to see this? First position is like this. Now it is 1, then 2, 3. Like this 7 revolutions. How much area will it cover? So from the first position till 7 revolutions, how much area it will cover? That we have to find out. So to find out this revolutions, the area covered by 7 revolutions, what we have to see? Is it CSA or the TSA? It is only you are covering the sides, isn't it? So that is curved surface area. So are we counting this two? No. So हम ये टॉप एंड बॉटम को काउंट नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ साइड्स को काउंट कर रहे हैं ना, सर्क्युलर साइड. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द CSA. So you have to understand whether we have to find the CSA or the TSA. So how much area will it cover in 7 revolutions? ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो हमें CSA फाइंड आउट करने का, फिर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. Why? 1 revolution is CSA, but 7 revolutions. So CSA into 7. Okay. So first you have written diameter is 2.5, radius is diameter upon 2, you got 2.5 by 2. Length of the roller, that is height, is equal to 1.4 meter. So सबसे पहले क्या क्या है वो पहले लिखने का, जो भी रोलर का दिया है ये with regard to the cylinder, what are they, you have to write. Now curved surface area, find out curved surface area, that is of cylinder. Now the roller is in the shape of the cylinder. So what is the formula? 2 pi RH. Now put the values 2. Pi is 22 by 7. R is how much? 2.5 upon 2. And H is how much? 1.4. Now you understood why we didn't calculate this? So 2 gets cancelled. Now 7 ones are 7 zeros are 7 twos are 14. You got 0.2. Now it is a 22 into 2 25s are 25 twos are, it is 50. But 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 1 2. So it is 0.5. This 0 gets cancelled. So you got how much? 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10 plus 1 11. Now it is 1 decimal. So put the. So you got a 11 meter square. So this is the CSA of the cylinder. But now we have to find out the area it covers in several revolutions. So area covered in 7 revolutions is equal to 1 CSA. 1 time it is 11, but 7 times. So 77 meter square. Hope you understood this sum. So when you roll it, it is only the CSA, not the TSA. So find out the CSA and then how many revolutions are there, multiplied by that number. Now coming to The example 11. In a building, 15 cylindrical pillars are to be painted. 15 cylindrical pillars are to be painted. The diameter and the height of each pillar is 48 centimeter and 7 meter respectively. Find the cost of painting if the rate is rupees 2 per square meter. So what they have told? There are 15 cylindrical pillars. Usually the stilt area or the car parking area, the pillars are there, isn't it? Building में. But the pillar is a cylindrical. So एक पिल्लर का एरिया फाइंड आउट करो, लेकिन पेंट करने के लिए अभी ये पिल्लर है, सोचो तो ऊपर का और नीचे का पेंट करते हैं क्या? नहीं, सिर्फ साइड का है ना पेंट, सिर्फ साइड के एरिया को हम पेंट करते हैं. सो इट इज द CSA अगेन. Okay, so that we have to understand whether we have to calculate the CSA or the TSA. Okay, now first you will be writing the shape of the pillar is a cylindrical. So cylinder. Now diameter is given, D is how much respectively. Matlab diameter is the first, height is the second. So diameter they have told 48 centimeter. Okay, now radius, immediately find out the radius. D upon 2, that is 48 upon 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. But this is in square meter. So convert this in meter. How? 24 upon 100. Centimeter to meter divide by 100. So it is 0.24 meter. You got radius. Now height. Height already given 7 meter. Now find out CSA, that is curved surface area of the cylinder. What is the formula? Hope you are confident of the formula now. 2 pi RH, that is 2 into pi is 22 by 7. R is how much? 0.24 and H is 7. 7 7 get cancelled. You got 22 2s are 44 into 0.24. When you multiply, you will get a 10.56 meter square. In this lesson, you have got a lot of calculations, isn't it? So, better be careful. So, 44 into 24, you get 1056, but 2 decimal, so 10.56 meter square. Now, 15 pillars are there. So, curved surface area of 15 pillars is equal to 1 pillar. What is the curved surface area? 10.56 into 15. So 15 you can multiply, otherwise directly one more time it is there. So you write, keep it like this only first. Okay. Now cost of, because it is a decimal, so we will see it is a cost, total cost of painting 15 pillars at rupees 2 per square meter. You can multiply and then you can find out. Otherwise, it is rupees 2 into 10.56 into 15. Now calculation is easy. How? 2 15s are 30. Now put 1 0. 3 6 are 18. 3 5s are 15. Plus 1 16. 3 zeros are 0. So 1. 3 1s are 3. Now it is 2 decimal. Therefore rupees 316.80. Hope you understood why we are not multiplying. Even if you multiply, you will get the same answer, but 15 2s are 30. That is why directly we have done the calculation at the end. So that was example 11. So we have completed the examples of the surface area of the cylinder. Hope you are confident with these 3 examples. The CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH and the TSA is 2 pi R plus H. Bye. Thank you. All the best.